Dear children, once again welcome back to our class. Have a wonderful afternoon. I had conducted class test and I told you that after checking the answer sheet, please send it to me. Still, many of you are there to send it to me. Those who haven't sent, please send it to me. So just let us remember what all things we have studied in the last class. We have studied about Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. What was the old name of Kolkata? Are you remembering? Yes, right. It is Calcutta. Now it is known as Kolkata. What was the climate of Kolkata? Yes, Kolkata enjoys mild climate both in summer and winter. Then, what was the two important railway stations in Kolkata? Very good. Howrah and Silda. Then what you have studied? What was the language spoken in Kolkata? Bangla. Then one more thing we have studied. The natural harbour. What was the name of that natural harbour in Kolkata? Very good. Diamond Harbour. So, we will continue to study about Calcutta, the life in the Calcutta, their celebrations, their food, then the important places to visit in Kolkata. That we will study in this class. The people of Calcutta speak Bangla. They also speak English and Hindi. And Calcutta, you know, Calcutta is very famous for sweets. Have you heard Rasgulla? Yes, Rasgulla and Sandesh are the important sweets of Calcutta. And the people of Calcutta love rice and fish. They like to eat rice and fish. The people of Kolkata celebrate Diwali, Eid, Christmas, but their important festival is Durga Puja. People of Kolkata celebrate Durga Puja for 5 days. Very huge idols of Goddess Durga is placed and worshipped during these festivals. Songs written by great poet Rabindranath Tagore is a great form of music in Kolkata. It is known as Rabindra Sangeet. The famous Vishwabharati University near Calcutta. It was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. The people of Kolkata they love sports. Cricket, football, the famous cricket stadium, Eden Gardens, it is in Kolkata. There is a huge park in the city of Kolkata. This is known as Maidan, a huge park. a number of places to visit in Kolkata. Fort William, Botanical Gardens, Alipur Zoo, National Library. There are a number of temples also for visiting tourists. Many tourists come from different places to see all these important places.
City of Joy, Kolkata is the largest urban agglomeration in India. The city does not lag behind in any field, whether be it sports or education. They leave their mark loud and clear. The beautiful time during the Durga Puja festival to the vibrant markets in the city, everything would capture your attention. Number 1. Howrah Bridge. Situated on the river Hooghly, this bridge is considered to be one of the national landmarks in the country. It is also called as Rabindra Setu, named after the most famous Bengali literary Rabindranath Tagore. It is one of the topmost places to visit in Kolkata. Second, Victoria Memorial. Located on the plains of the bank of river Hooghly, the construction of this place was finished in 1921. The museum is dedicated to Queen Victoria and is built in Mughal and British style of architecture. Third, Eden Gardens. It is a massive ground where many national and international cricket matches take place. Being the home ground of Kolkata Knight Riders, an IPL team, it is the third largest cricket ground in the world. Fourth, Park Street. Also called as the Food Street, it is famous for its local cuisine and street-style stall food. The area also has many pubs and restaurants catering to every individual's choices. This street is generally called as a street that never sleeps and is one of the major attractions in Kolkata, which one cannot miss whether being a tourist or a local. Fifth, the Kaneshwar Kali Temple. Built in 1847 to the north of the city, the temple is in association with Sri Ramakrishna Mission. The temple is situated on the banks of river Hooghly, where across is the Ramakrishna Mission headquarters. This monastery is a heaven where one finds peace of mind and soul. Sixth, Birla Mandir. It is a huge temple complex which is spread across an area of 130 acres. The temple has been built by the famous industrialist Birla family. The temple is dedicated to Lord Krishna and Radha and is built through white marble which resembles like Lingaraj temple of Bhubaneswar. 7th, Indian Museum. Considered to be the oldest museums in India and in the world, the museum showcases a plethora of artifacts and medieval paintings. It has 6 sections which are further divided into 35 other galleries. 8th, Jorasanko Thakur Bari. Being called as the House of the Thakurs, it is the ancestral residence of the Tagore family. The place now displays the articles and ancient things which depict the life of the Tagores. 9th, Marble Palace. It is a huge palace built in neoclassical style of architecture. The palace also has a museum and a zoo nearby to the place, which can be seen by the people. The museum displays a number of old paintings and furniture. 10th, St. Paul's Cathedral. It is the largest cathedral in the city and was built in 1874. It has beautiful adorned stained glass windows. 11th, Rabindra Sarovar. This place has an artificial lake which was earlier called as the Dharuria Lake. This place acts as a home to thousands of migratory birds during winters. 12th, Jalbara Wildlife Sanctuary. Located in the foothills of the eastern Himalayas, this place has one of the rarest animals on earth, the one-horned Indian rhino. The other animals include of Royal Bengal tiger, sambar, wild boar and more. 13th, Science City. It is one of the finest and largest science museums in the world. There is a special section which is just dedicated to the aquatic life and deals in the life of animals and insects inside water. 14th, New Market. One of the famous places to visit in Kolkata in terms of shopping would be New Market. It is the fashion hub in the city and has many kinds and trends of clothing. 15th, Ecotourism Park. This park is spread across an area of 480 acres of land. This place is perfect for a simple leisure walk. It is used by many families as a picnic spot.
Let us read the textbook. You have to do one thing. You have to read the textbook and take an audio of that. And after that you have to send it to me. All have to do that. Don't forget to do. Then now we will read the textbook. All of you open the textbook. Page number 248.
Life in the city. The people of Kolkata speak Bangla. They also speak English and Hindi. Kolkata is famous for sweets like the Rasgulla and Sandesh. Rice and fish are important food items. Durga Puja is a very important festival in Kolkata. It is celebrated in a grand manner for 5 days. Huge idols of goddess Durga are made and worshipped during the festival. Diwali, Eid and Christmas are other important festivals. The songs written by the great poet Rabindranath Tagore are known as Rabindra Sangeet. It is a popular form of music in Kolkata. The people of Kolkata enjoy sports like cricket and football. The Maidan, a huge park in the city, has the famous Eden Gardens cricket stadium. Mohun Bagan and East Bengal are two well-known football clubs of Kolkata. Places to visit. Fort William and the Victoria Memorial attract a large number of tourists. People also visit the Birla Planetarium, National Library, Rabindra Sarovar, Alipur Zoo, Botanical Gardens, Belur Mach and the temples in Kalingat and Dakshineshwar. Shantiniketan, which has the famous Vishwabharati University, is near Kolkata. It was founded by Rabindranath Tagore.
In page number 249, there is match the words in 2 columns. We will do it.
Match the words in the 2 columns. Column A and column B. Column A. 1. Silda. Column B. C. Railway station. Column A. 2. Eden Gardens. Column B. D. Cricket stadium. Column A. 3. Kalingat. Column B. B. Temple. Column A. 4. Rasgulla. Column B. A. Sweet.
Now let us write the question answers. Leave one line and start writing. We will write first answer in 1 or 2 words. We have stopped like that. So we will continue answer in 1 or 2 words. The 4th question. Write the 4th question. And before writing the question, don't forget to write the date. 4th question. What is the Maidan in Kolkata? What is the Maidan in Kolkata? Answer is a park.
Question. What is the Maidan in Kolkata? Answer. A park.
5th question. What is the name of the university founded by Rabindranath Tagore? Answer is Vishwabharati. Vishwabharati University is founded by Rabindranath Tagore. Write the answer.
Fifth question. What is the name of the university founded by Rabindranath Tagore? Answer: Vishwabharati University.
We will answer the following third question. Answer the following third question. Question is, write a short note on the bridges on River Hooghly. Write a short note on the bridges on River Hooghly. Answer is, the famous Howrah Bridge over the Hooghly links Kolkata to the city of Howrah. It is a hanging bridge and does not have supporting pillars. The Vidyasagar Setu is another bridge built on River Hooghly. Answer is in 3 points. That 3 points also you have to write.
Answer the questions. Third question. Write a short note on the bridges on River Hooghly. Answer. First point. The famous Howrah Bridge over the Hooghly links Kolkata to the city of Howrah. Second point. It is a hanging bridge. Third point. The Vidyasagar Setu is another bridge built over the Hooghly.
Following fourth question. Which places in Kolkata are visited by tourists? Which places in Kolkata are visited by tourists? Answer. The Birla Planetarium, National Library, Alipore Zoo, Botanical Gardens. Four of them you can write. Any 4 you can write. There are so many. You can write any 4.
Fourth question. Which places in Kolkata are visited by tourists? Answer. National Library, the Birla Planetarium, Alipore Zoo, Botanical Gardens, etc.
Children, we will revise what all things we have studied in this lesson. This lesson, Kolkata. First we have studied Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. And the old name of Kolkata was Calcutta. And the language spoken in Kolkata is Bangla. And English and Hindi also speak. Then the climate in Kolkata is mild, both in summer and winter. Then we have studied that Kolkata is the first city to have metro rail. And Kolkata is the city that have trams. Still they have trams there. Then the important harbour, natural harbour in Kolkata, its name is Diamond Harbour. Then the important festival celebrated in Kolkata is Durga Puja. This Durga Puja is celebrated for 5 days. Famous Howrah Bridge over Hooghly links Kolkata to the city of Howrah. Rabindra Sangeet is a famous form of music in Kolkata, and the Vishwabharati University is founded by Rabindranath Tagore. There are so many places to visit in Kolkata. That is Alipore Zoo, National Library, Botanical Gardens, William Fort. There are so many places to visit. Many temples also are there to visit. Children, hope you have understood about Kolkata. All of you have to read the textbook, study question answers. Read one paragraph and take an audio of that and send it to me. Don't forget to send. Study the question answers also. Children, next day you will have Google exam. Try not to be absent for the exam. All of you have to participate in the exam.